If you spend time lovingly polishing your paintwork, you also want to protect it so your hard work lasts for as long as possible. To achieve this, Scholl Concepts has 5 different types of wax and sealant for you to choose from. What will work best depends on several important factors that you need to consider when making your selection. Before starting, ask yourself these questions. Do I need a fast result? What gloss and protection levels do I want to achieve? Am I applying the product by hand or by machine? Will I be working indoors or outdoors? And if outdoors, what are the likely weather conditions? To answer these, let's explore the solutions that Scholl Concepts provide. If speed is your biggest concern, then you need SW30 or SW20 to get yourself a fast result. S and W stand for speed and wax, and these spray-on wipe-off waxes will get you a showroom finish in seconds, perfect at events and competitions when an instant eye-catching shine is essential. Need greater protection? Then use a liquid wax. Both W6 Plus and W9 are a blend of natural carnauba with some synthetic ingredients. W6 Plus is ultra easy to apply, even on hot paint and dark colours. Now, you can use our black hand puck to wipe over the surface, then buff off. The result is an extreme gloss finish. W9 contains even higher levels of carnauba and a high-grade microfine abrasive powder. If you're a machine polisher, use it with the Scholl Concepts Orange Premium Pad and it'll eliminate swirls and holograms too. While EcoFix E-Wax is another great liquid option. Same high protection and gloss as W6 Plus, but it can also be applied by machine, this time with the soft EcoFix black polishing pad.